Thiel's Theory, a quiz by Miranda Durham. True or false? Thiel's belief is that while computers are evolving quickly, there is not enough futuristic growth in other fields such as health, medicine, energy, and transportation. A. True or B. False? The correct answer is A. True. What did we get instead of flying cars? A. Cell phones. B. Social media. C. 140 characters. Or D. 26 letters. The correct answer is C. 140 characters. How did Thiel make his fortune? A. Co-creator of Cash App. B. Co-creator of PayPal. C. Co-creator of Venmo. Or D. Co-creator of Zelle. The correct answer is B. Co-creator of PayPal. According to Thiel, we need more ambitious entrepreneurs solving very important challenges instead of working on A. Silly little food trucks. B. Becoming influencers. C. Making bigger cell phones. Or D. Rinky-dink social media startups. The correct answer is D. Rinky-dink social media startups. Thank you for your participation in this quiz.